Alright, what's up folks? It's been a while. I got short hair now. She pretty much looks the same, but we got hit by a little tornado here a couple days ago. So Maddie and I are gonna go around, and it screwed up some of our irrigation pipe. I almost said the F word there, but I didn't. Thank you very much. Gonna go try to fix some of that pipe, and then I'll show you around some of the damage. Mostly it didn't really hit the farm, mostly just hit my grandparents' house, which is just a quarter mile down the road. But
truck got all messed up.
yeah, all Grandpa's work pickup, which is this pickup, got all screwed up, and their whole garage is off. Anyways, we'll show you that later. First, let's, I guess, do some hard labor, baby. Alright, Farm Girl Maddie gonna figure out how to switch the hitch out. Nice. Supreme execution. Nope. You're gonna, well, just put the, no, that's fine, but just, it doesn't go in all the way though, I'm sure.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Oh God. Nice. Easy as that.
How does this do? Just push really hard or what?
Yeah.
Like that? Is that cool? Okay. Should we just put this back here like this?
Locked and loaded. Get in the mirror.
I don't know what I'm doing.
See the trailer in the mirror. That's what I was trying to
You can't see it in the mirror.
say. Well, you could have. Let's go load some pipe up, baby. Usually we'd already have each field on a certain trailer, but since this field, well, these two fields got broken, we had to throw some off of that trailer, which we don't use anymore, onto this trailer, and now we should be good to go. Oh my God, I'm out of shape. Well, as you can see, this is where the tornado came through my field here. That's the shop over there. It's not the worst thing in the world. It kind of went through here and then must have picked up, and then on the other edge of this field it touched back down, and then over there's my grandparents. I'll show you a little closer up later, but camper's on the side, garage is non-existent. Both pickups got messed up. Their side-by-side was in the garage. It's not a great deal, but anyways, we're gonna fix all this pipe that got thrown around and shit, and so we're ready to irrigate, I guess, when it dries back out. Typically you want to have 3 people for this job, but Maddie's man enough, we can do it with just 2. We already pulled most of the big shit out of the field yesterday, but as you can see, considering my grandparents' garage was right over there, we pretty much caught all of the shit in the cornfield, so at least the neighbors don't have to deal with it, I suppose.
Oh no! How dare you break that corn?
There goes the profit. Okay, well, we got done over at my field, which is across the road from here. We're on the other side of my grandparents' house now, basically. And this had quite a few more pipe get blown around and stuff, but we're not in the super bad spot here. You can see where the tornado, it basically started right back here at our neighbor's house. And then it came through here, went around their house through my field, and away she went. But overall, the crop itself isn't that damaged. We didn't even turn it into insurance, but mostly just a big pain in the ass. So we'll put these together and see where we end up. It's a scorcher today, boys. Okay, so we're on the east end of this field from where we were just doing the pipe, and this is kind of where it came out the other side. You can see it, well, that might have been my mistake right there, but don't worry about that. But you can see it's all twisted up, and it looks like it's about 2 feet tall, but it wasn't before this. That's where it went into the neighbor's field, and then it kind of just disappears, so not really sure where it went after this. I know it headed that direction, but it is what it is, I suppose. Overall, considering a gosh darn tornado went through, I'm doing good at not cussing this video, I'm just gonna say that, but considering a tornado went through the field, I mean, doesn't look all that bad, but there's, like I said, we're about a mile away or so from where we were doing that other pipe, and got close enough to this stuff to just roll out these last few, and that's about all the damage over here, so I don't know. Not that big of a deal, mostly just worried about all of my grandpa's garage and camper and side-by-side and pickups and everything else, but oh, and his roof has holes in it too, so overall not a great deal, but could have been a lot worse. At least everybody's safe. I have no idea if you guys can see it, but the house kind of over in this general direction, that's my grandparents' house. That's a piece of their garage right there. Like I said, probably half mile at least away or so. Tornadoes are crazy, man, I tell you. It's just crazy that some of the stuff in their garage stayed put, and then some pieces of their garage ended up probably miles away. But anyways, we'll go show you the garage quick, and then we'll wrap her up, I suppose. I got nervous because the roofers were there working on the roof, so you're just gonna have to deal with the little drive-by shot there for now anyways. I still don't like talking to the camera in front of people I'm not comfortable with or that I even have ever really talked to, so anyways, I don't know if you could see anything there, but you could at least see the camper was on its side and there was no garage there, so that's about all you need to know. Anyways, thanks for watching. This is going to be a little shorter video, but we're going to try to start pumping them out again, so hit the subscribe button, like it, all the bullshit. Thanks for watching.